Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP LaserJet 4100 series printer on your Windows, laptop, tablet, or PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet 4100 printer support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP LaserJet 4100 printer series. Go ahead and open up that link. And then scrolling down here underneath support categories, select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, there should be an item underneath driver, universal print driver. Go ahead and select the universal print driver for Windows and download that. And once it's downloaded, open up that file to open up the contents and then just scroll down and select the install application. It should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then select yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and then select your preferred installation and use method if you want to be a USB mode printer or a traditional or dynamic mode depending on your preferences for how you want your printer set up. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.